for the seat. The driver called the mermaid, and the mermaid said, "No more riding on this shaky bus." One little monster was riding on a bus. He jumped off and cracked the bus. The driver called the wizard, and the wizard said, "Fix the bus, fix the bus, fix the bus, let's fix the bus." Clap, clap, clap! They fixed the bus. Yay, yay, yay! All the monsters helped to fix the bus. Now it's shining without any fuss. The driver called the monsters and they all shouted loud, "Come on, friends, let's ride this bus tonight." Boom, boom, clap, clap, old MacDonald's farm is back. Boom, boom, jump and sing. Farmyard chaos led to boom. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm a cow went boom, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, then one knocked on every row. Boom, boom, what a sound, milk is splashing all around. E-I-E-I-O, oh no, farm is going crazy, yo. And on this farm a chicken ran, E-I-E-I-O. It danced so fast like boom, boom, man. With a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there, eggs are bouncing in the air. Boom, boom, egg attack, chickens doing funky dance track. E-I-E-I-O, let's go. Farm is shaking head to toe. And on this farm a pig said boo, E-I-E-I-O. Jumped in mud with a splashy zoom. Ooh. With a oink oink here and a oink oink there, mud is flying everywhere. Boom boom, muddy fun, pig is sliding like a drum. E-I-E-I-O, so wild, even MacDonald shocked and smiled. And on this farm a sheep went pop, E-I-E-I-O. Jumped so high it never stopped. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, wool is floating in the air. Boom boom, fluffy storm, sheep are breaking every norm. E-I-E-I-O, hooray, farm is dancing all the way. Old MacDonald says, "Oh wow, this farm is wild, I don't know how." He tries to calm the boom boom sound, but animals keep jumping around. Boom boom, farm on fire, running away. Music, chaos, wild desire. E-I-E-I-O, so fun, best farm party ever done. Boom boom, clap clap, sing with me. Old MacDonald's crazy spree. E-I-E-I-O, we go. Farmyard fun will always glow.
With a clap.
Wow! Night is coming soft and slow. Tiny stars begin to glow. In a cozy room so warm and light, a little baby says good night. Baby lying in the bed, love pillow underhead, looking out the window bright, watching stars in the night light. Baby whispers to the sky, I wish I could fly up there and touch the stars shining fair. Wow! Then comes a flutter by the pane, little owl in moonlight playing. Hello baby, don't you cry, I And touch the stars shining, yippee! And touch the stars shining free. Guy wolf flies into the sky, stars are glowing past the sky. Dreamy sleeps with smile so bright, dreaming of the starry flight. Pop, pop, wait, what's that? Something big is floating back. Pop, pop, look above. Baby shark is stuck, oh no, oh no. Baby shark was playing free, blowing bubbles in the sea. One grew bigger, bigger, wow. Uh-oh, I'm inside it now. Floating slowly to the sky. Mommy, help, I'm flying high. Up, up, don't you stop. Floating in a bubble pop. No, no, don't let go. Baby shark is stuck, oh no. Mommy shark looks up in fear. Don't you worry, I am here. Daddy shark swims super fast. Catch that bubble, make it last. Grandma laughs, he's like a balloon. Grandpa says we'll get him soon. Catch, catch, hurry up. Save him from that bubble cup. Swim and jump and reach the top. Don't let baby shark go pop. Daddy jumps but slips away. Sharp shell can make it pop. Crab comes in with pinch so tight. Let's save baby, do it right. They jump together, 1, 2, 3. Pop, splash into the sea. Pop, 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 down you go. Splashing in the waves below. Safe and sound, shout hooray. Baby shark is saved today. Baby shark laughs, that was fun. Let's not do that again. Okay, one more run. Everyone shouts no, no, no. They all laugh and swim around. Happy bubbles all around.
Brr.